Hello, all the tickmill traders. My name's Johnny, one of the account managers here in London, and I just wanted to have a quick session today just to run through some of the great things that you can see on the Figaro Advanced Trading Toolkit from FX Blue. We offer this to our clients on MT4 and MT5, so I just wanted to quickly jump on and just to run through just a few of my favorite things that I picked up. So once you've installed the toolkit, you can obviously scroll down the left-hand side here, and it all sits under the Figaro app suite. And there you can browse through and have a look at everything that you can takes your fancy and what really helps you push to the next level for your trading. So what I've done here is I've gone through and I've favorited those pieces of software that I have found the most useful. So they'll just sit on my favorites here. So just to quickly run through, the first one I'm going to show you is the market scanner. So you just click on this and go through. And this is really useful just when you're coming through and kind of looking at just these generic details here, the price on the EMA, for example. You could obviously add your products, remove them, just to get an idea of kind of the market at the moment and just giving that broad overview for you to take in and digest. So next up, I've got the Figaro technical analysis on the left here. So we open this one. So as you can see, this one is great. I think this is a really useful tool for a lot of our traders out there. As well as kind of the TA score here, we're obviously getting the buy-sell sentiment. You can change your products in the top left. You can change the chart type and the time sequence on the right. So the moving average, a lot of our clients are very keen on this. So this is very, very prominent at the top. And you've obviously got your pivot points, oscillators. And again, customize the contract for whatever you want to look at. And again, looking at this sentiment is really useful. So the next one I've got for you here, Figaro have a number of calculators that you can use. So I'm looking at the combined calculator. As I find, it just compacts the most useful parts of the calculator into one space. So as you can see, you've got your amounts of risk in the top left. This is the first one, the stop loss and take profits. You've got your account to risk. You can click through putting your fixed amount in. So for example, what should we look at? 500, look at the size, and it already starts to come down here, the distance, the pips, and everything like that. So you can add your stop loss in, your open price and close price, which is great. Position size as well, obviously the amount to risk, the instrument and stop losses can fill in exactly the same way, and you can work your way through from the pip calculator, again, profit margin calculator, which is obviously useful when obviously opening your positions up. And your Fibonacci as well, which has the retractment and the extension, which is really useful when the Fibonacci is such a popular tool. It's nice to have this in one space, and it's absolutely fantastic. So next one we have is the charts. So open this. As you can see here, everyone has their own nuances that they like in charting, and this one just I think seems a bit more it's a bit more digestible compared to the normal kind of MT4 MT5 screens. And you've obviously got all the same tools that you can run on here, your deal tickets, you've got your price style and everything here, so you completely customize this exactly how you want, and hopefully will make your trading a lot more accessible. So the toolkit classics as well, we can't forget these. So we have a tickmill mini terminal, which I find very, very useful indeed. Let's open this. So your mini terminal is exactly as it says. It opens up what looks like a traditional trading ticket. You can add your lot size, your stop loss, and your take profits. And it's easy to execute on a single click basis. You can obviously line these up in a board exactly how you want. As we all know, you can customize these MetaTrader screens to fit exactly what your trading style is and what works. So the mini terminal for me is great. It just means easy access, close positions, manage risk, manage that exposure, and easily accessible. So the next one, again, in the tickmill family would be the trade terminal. Just open this one. So this is where you can see here, this is kind of all in one. You've got your quote board here, you've got your markets as you can normally see on the left-hand side there, but at the top, it looks just a lot clearer here. You've got your floating P&L, your margin, your free margin, and your watch list here is actually made up of these mini terminals as well. So you can easily flip between them, obviously close the same things you'll be used to seeing on a traditional trading platform. But again, it's just that a bit clearer. It's a bit more accessible. And again, easy access to manage your portfolio. The last one that I have for you is obviously a very key one, and this is another Figaro one, and it's the account metrics. So very simple, and again, it's just a clear picture. However you want to start the day or whilst you're doing it, you've got here exactly what you'd want to see: the equity, the balance, the floating P&L, the profit, the margin, etc. All clear, and everything's here, marginally being used in a diagram. If that's how you like to ingest data, then fine. So just as a snapshot of what you're looking at, again, very, very clear and very, very useful. And actually, the last one I do want to show you is this order batch. So this is a great tool to say if you're trading any news events or want to place multiple orders at once, rather than go through with your quote board here without having to put anything else in. What you could do, if you want to say the action that you want to buy, you set your lot size, which is 0.1, save that, and then you add your instruments. So in this case, if we add GBP dollar, let's do Aussie dollar as well. You can say, okay, I've got to buy 0.01 lots. And again, if you click into the action, you can add your stop loss. So your cash risk, for example, change that to 20. Take profit, just do exactly the same thing for now. And your 20, obviously you've got your strategy IG if needed, and your comment as well. So you save that. So this is already predetermined now in the batch. So when you're ready to go, you can execute your batch, and you can see the trades here have both been executed and are running as you would expect them to run. So one of the best things you can do after doing this is if you go down to the trading, you've got your trading action here. So this is a great little tool from Figaro. So this means that you can opens up the window there. You can, obviously this is the difference when you're presetting it. So instead of new order, close position, close all, you can close all, select exactly what you want to do, whether it's long, short, everything, execute, and the trades have gone away. So, I mean, the idea of this is that we can introduce this to our traders, and they can really, really use these tools to take their trading to the next level, feel confident when they're coming to the markets, and know exactly what it is they're doing, have higher visibility of their portfolios and transparency. So happy trading, and like I said, enjoy the tools.